Alright, before any push workout, you want to start by warming up your wrist. You can roll your wrist out a bit, shake them out, and go straight into arm circles for 30 seconds. Make sure you get both sides. Next, if you got a resistance band, pull on it, making sure your shoulders are warmed up correctly. And to finish out the warm-up, 15 push-ups. Let's start this workout out with decline push-ups. Decline push-ups target your upper chest. Next, diamond push-ups target the center of your chest, giving you a more hollowed out chest look. Next, deep push-ups. It gives you a deeper stretch on the chest, activating the muscles more. Archer push-ups, I love these. Give you a more isolated stretch on each pec. Next, we got pike push-ups. You're basically putting a lot of your weight on your shoulders. Finally, let's finish off with some dips. Workout that you can do right now in your home. Hope you'll enjoy it. Peace out. See you on the next.